Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund. First, understand that the S&P 500 represents a broad segment of the U.S. stock market, offering diversification across many industries. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds, making it an excellent choice for long-term investors. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you started, from opening an account to making your first purchase. It's easier than you might think to begin building your investment portfolio. To start, you'll need to open an investment account directly with Vanguard. Head over to their website and look for the Open an Account section. You'll typically choose between a standard brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA, depending on your financial plans. Have your personal identification ready, such as your social security number and bank account information, to link for funding. The online application is straightforward and usually takes about 15 minutes to complete. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful for your investing journey, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. And on another note, just like smart investing, staying hydrated is key to staying sharp. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep you refreshed throughout your day. You can find a link to it, along with other fantastic deals, right in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Once your account is open and funded, it's time to select your fund. You can choose an exchange-traded fund, like VOO, or a mutual fund, such as VFIX. Be aware that mutual funds often have a minimum initial investment, sometimes around $3,000. Decide how much you want to invest and place a buy order. Many investors find success with dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, which helps smooth out market fluctuations over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.